Hi there! Today I'm finally trying out these curling clippers. In my hands are two fluffy bunny keychains. This one was cut entirely by hand with scissors, and the other got a fresh trim with the clippers. Can you spot the difference? Speaking of the clippers, I ordered the exact ones I keep seeing in all the satisfying rug carving videos. Funny enough, it turns out they're actually meant for pet grooming. Honestly, that was a surprise for me. Why it's for pets? What is it? I don't know. Honestly, I don't know how to use it properly. So a little scary. I hope everything will be okay. I can't. I need an adapter for this. No. So I need an adapter. How can I know? Of course I should know. So I will find an adapter. I'm sure about that. And I come up with idea to make a fluffy bunny keychain again, but using this current clipper for pets. Why not? My bunny is also pet for me, I think. In my last video, I made this bunny completely by hand, so if you haven't seen it yet, feel free to check it out. For a fair comparison, I tufted an identical bunny using the same rug technique. But this time, I'm giving it the full 3D treatment with clippers. And this time, I decided to make the keychain fully fluffy, so I added a fuzzy back as well. Time to finally give this bunny a trim. Alright, let's get to it. This is my first time trying this, so I'm learning as I go. Why not? And here I am, confidently trying to cut the loops, completely unaware that loops aren't meant to be cut. Yeah, I had no idea, but now you know too. After a good laugh at my mistake, I switched to scissors to save the day. A few moments later. And here we are, giving this bunny a second chance at the fresh cut. What can I say after my first try with the clippers? It didn't actually feel much faster than using scissors, and I kind of expected it to be easier, but I had to put in quite a bit of effort. Let me know in comments if I was doing something wrong. Next, I glued the two pieces together with a hot glue gun and attached the keyring. All done. What do you think of the result? So my verdict? The clippers are convenient, but they take some practice to get the hang of. Does the final result look cleaner? Maybe a bit, but honestly the result is hardly noticeable. I found that for tiny details, scissors were actually more precise. Is it worth the buy? For me, not really, unless you have a tufting gun. Because unfortunately, clippers don't work well on hand-embroidered loops. So for small keychains and mini rugs, it's probably not a justified purchase. That's all for now. Thank you for your likes and comments. Bye!